So failed prints are a reality across all 3D printing systems. There's lots of different reasons why we'll get a failed print. And what I just want to talk about is a particular situation that can happen. We've got a sprint tray here, but it's common across all systems. So imagine a situation whereby build platform lifts up, nothing is on the build platform. There's no layers whatsoever have been produced. We inspect the resin tank, so with a sprint tray we use our little silicone wiper, inspect the resin tank, and we can see there are no layers within the resin tank either. So no curing has happened. Why has no curing happened? And the most likely reason is because the projector hasn't projected images. So one of the reasons for that is that the file that was sent from the nesting software, from the slicing software, may have picked up a corruption. It's been sent via USB, by Ethernet, by local Wi-Fi, by cloud, whichever system you're using, whichever method of transfer you're using, there's always a risk that there's going to be some kind of corruption has kicked into that file. So it can be a situation whereby just the slicing data just hasn't been transferred over. So we may see that we've got a preview of the file, we may see we've got the option to print, but the slicing information hasn't been sent over. And the result is the projector doesn't fire. So the build platform comes down, moves up, down, up, and everything looks like it's working okay, but there's no print. So quick little check on how we can do that. Within the software, we've got a view layer button. So once the print starts to happen, we can hit view layer. And what we get to see then is an image or a representation of what's actually being projected. So the good news here is there is an image. An image is being projected. We should expect curing. So if we hit view layer and we see nothing, that indicates that there's a corruption in the file. And the great thing is that we can check this at the very start. So if it's a case, you have a failed print, nothing on the build platform, nothing in the resin tank, run that print again, and as the build platform is starting to move down, you'll have access to the view layer button. And if you see there's nothing there, at least you can rule out, that there's a corruption within the file. What do? Go back to our nesting software, maybe make a little tweak, hit resend, and we should be all good from there. So hope that the video helps you understand the reasons why we can have failed prints. So it's obviously it's a bit disappointing when it happens, but the reality is that it's very often not a major issue. So as always, please reach out to us if you have any further questions, and you can reach us at support@esmdigitalsolutions.com.